Hello friends and family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to say a very big thank you to all my friends, family, every one of you that took us from where we are to over 50 subscribers in just few days. That is a milestone for us, and we want to say thank you, and we will continue to put on effort and energy to ensure we make this platform a success for you and for me. I could remember a few years back when I wanted to start my furniture factory or furniture firm. I had a lot of kickback on how it's not going to work out well. You a pharmacist, you want to leave the drug line to go into furniture business. And today you can see that the furniture business has actually paid off, far better than what I would have expected if I was working for any government agency. So that tells you that if you could keep your head down, learn a skill, stay committed to it, and stay consistent to it, you could really make so much out of life. Now let's go right into it. In this video, I'll be taking you through how you can start your very first YouTube channel on uploading videos, the applications that you need, and how to go about it generally. The very first things you need to do is to download the vital tools that you need to start your YouTube studio or to start your YouTube channel. So one of it is CAPCUT. CAPCUT is a very important application that helps you with your editing. Editing, yes. So CAPCUT helps with your editing. We have InShot too. InShot helps you with your editing too and for making of thumbnails. As we make progress, I will tell you what thumbnails are and how you make good use of them. If you don't have good thumbnails, your video is bad. Now, another tool you need YouTube Studio. You don't start your channel from your normal YouTube page. You go to YouTube Studio. That is where you sign up to own a channel and proper channel management. So you go to YouTube Studio. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Chrome browser. Once you are in your Chrome browser, you click studio.youtube.com. That is the website here. So I will just click it, studio.youtube.com. Just skip to studio because of my interface. Skip to studio. Now this is what comes up if you already have a channel, but if not, you are going to see, let me log out of my channel, sign out. So you're going to see this interface, choose an account. So if you already have a Google account, you will just continue with the Google account you have. If not, that is where you sign up to own a channel. This is the interface on your YouTube studio. Once you sign in on YouTube studio, you create an account. This is the interface you get. Now, look at where that F sign is, where the F is. That is where one of my account is. Now, because I have several accounts, I can switch from one account to another. Like you can see, these are several of my accounts. Once I just click on that F sign, I can switch from one account to another. So it's very user friendly. So I click on these accounts because I want to show you how to upload a video, for the first time, and grow your channel. Now, what you need to do once you enter the YouTube interface is to click on upload. Look at this sign facing up. You see this one, this sign here, that is where the upload is to put a video. Or you can come to create. You see create here, you can click on create to put a video, or you can see this upload videos here, this one here, right here. So you can also click on that upload videos to upload a video. So either of them. So I'll come to create, click on it. You see upload videos. I click on it, and then you choose the video from your gallery. So remember, you would have recorded or done the video that you want to upload. Any video of yourself, making jokes or anything, teaching a content, any video. Once you've done that, you click on select file. From library, you choose the video, and then let's say I want to upload this video here, right here. I would click on add, look at the add button, and then it will begin to upload the video. So you can see if the video is done uploading, you can see the video is 94%. Okay, the video is done uploading, it's processing. Now you come here, you choose your channel, you choose your title. Let's say I want to name this top 10 best dressed best dressed celebrity celebrities at Grammy 20. That's the first thing you need to do. Now you put your description. You say maybe this video this video features Beyonce and all of that. Next thing you want to add your thumbnail. There is no proper video that you make without a good thumbnail. Your YouTube thumbnail is what tells people if they should click on your YouTube, if they should account, if they should watch your videos or not. So you want to ensure that you have a proper thumbnail. Now I'm going to make a video on how to make a good thumbnail, how to design a good thumbnail by simple app like your CapCut or even your Canva. Canva and CapCut has free version you could use to design your thumbnail. You know what thumbnail is? Thumbnail is the picture that appears when you make a video. It comes in front. Like now, you see, this is the picture that people will first see. You can see this video. This is the picture that they will first see once they come to my YouTube channel. But that's not what I want. So I have to choose a picture that I had designed. You can see how beautiful this one looks. Yeah, so I choose that, and then it replaces that. You can see when people see this, it looks catchy. 2025 Grammy Award Best Outfit, and I made this simple design using a very simple application that is free. You know, it's free. People pay $10, $15 to make designs like this on Fiverr and some other sites and application sites. So, but you can make it yourself. Now you choose a playlist. Now it's very important you create a playlist if you don't have now, so that it's you creating a playlist helps you to put your videos in a particular file. So that when people visit your video, it's organized, and then it also helps you to link one video to another. So it has a lot of advantages. So what you want to do is you create, let's say, celebrity news. Let's call this celebrity news, and you can describe it whatever you want to call it. So whatever it is, then you create. So it has created a new playlist. Then what you want to do is you can now add this. So your videos, this whatever you upload now is in these videos. So it's very important for your YouTube. Now, is this video made for kids? No. You choose no. The video is not made for kids. If not, there will be a lot of quite normal restriction on your video, and you cannot get the proper views that you need. So now a lot of people, they stop at this place and then they go to next. Now you can see my checks is complete. Checks is complete means that there's no copyright infringement in the video. Everything is perfect and ideal. You want to ensure that too, because there are certain sounds you use or certain um, videos you use that has copyright laws. So YouTube would censor it, and then you cannot promote such kind of video. You cannot monetize the channel. your channel, because if you have quite a number of sensitive or copyrighted material in them. Now you go to show more. This show more here, you can see where I click that show more here after age restriction down by your left here. You go to show more because you want to ensure that you get all these things right. This is how you can optimize your video. And do any of the video describe your content? You type no for here. And the first one you could leave it because you are just starting. They have not started running promotion on your videos from companies. Everybody wants to get to that level. So now you put hashtags. It's very important. The hashtags are very important because that is how YouTube search engine optimization could track your videos. If people search for your videos, it's those keywords that will pop up that helps them to locate your content. So I can, okay, good. So these are some words you could use. Like I was making a celebrity video here. I made this a celebrity video. So I could use names of celebrity, Kendrick Lamar, Shakira, Uncle James. I could also add words like Grammy because this video was all about the 2025 Grammy. Put your recording date and then so every other thing doesn't really matter. So these things I showed you are the very most important thing. Now, the next thing you need to do is to scroll up and then look at where the video element is. If you've made a previous video, this place is very important because here, this is where you could add a link to a previous video you made so that you can refer people back to the, so that they can from one of your video go to watch another one. So what you need to do is to press add card here and then you can see channel, you add channel and then you search for your channel. um I don't have any video here, but I have some other channel. So you search for your channel, for this channel, particular channel. Let's say this is ministry. This, okay, or let's do Z's word. There's another channel here. Z's media. So this is another one, and then you can customize text, subscribe. This is so that you could allow people to subscribe for your channel. This pops up in any video, in the video you have. So in the video you make, once you make a video like this, you put, so in the course of the video, people will see the subscribe, button turn up. So here it is, subscribe. You can save. Yes, you can save, and it takes you back. So you've done the add card um, thing. So the next thing you want to do, you go to next. This is the final step. This is where you publish. Checks was okay. You go to next, and then now most people do is that they put their YouTube video content directly to public. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is you first of all put it to private and then you save, because if there's an error once it's in public you cannot correct it. So the first thing you want to do is to put it in private and then you save. When you save, the video is in private. So from the video being in private, you can always come back to make any corrections or anything you forget to, to add. But once you publish, it just goes straight out. But what I usually do is I usually schedule my video. So I choose schedule. So and then I put a time frame. So today, let's say on the 5th of February, let's say by 1:30, 1:30. And what I'm simply saying is that this video is not going to go out until 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. So that means in the next 2 hours. This is my by my time is 12:32. The next 1 hour 30 minutes thereabout. So I can set as premiere. Setting as premiere means it just comes out like a live view or a live channel. Next thing you want to do is to click on schedule. Once you click on schedule, you are done. You are done. Your video, YouTube will automatically send your video at the proper time. At the proper time, YouTube will upload your video. And it also helps you to also use the algorithm to check how your video should be shared to optimize your view. I believe now you could set up your YouTube channel by yourself. Please hit the subscribe button so that we could make more content like this for you. Thank you for watching.